Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. So today we are going to learn chapter 2, matrices. Okay, what is a matrices? Matrices is plural of metric. So what is a metric? A metric is a set of numbers arranged in row and column to form a rectangular or square array. Okay. Let's say we have a number 1, 2, 3, 4. We arrange in row and column. This number we write the number inside a bracket. Say 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a metric. Okay, a metric is usually represented with capital letter and written in the bracket. Then you can choose bracket like this or like this. Okay, with capital letter, let's say we have metric A. Then the element of metric A, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here are types of matrices. Then we have row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix or null matrix, square matrix, and rectangular matrix. So what is row matrix? So row matrix has only one row. Let's say we have 3, 7, 6. So this is example of row matrix. Only has one row. So it's column matrix. Yeah, column matrix has only one column. 7, 8, 9. Only one column. Okay, what is zero matrix? Zero matrix 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. All the elements are 0. Okay, square matrix. Square matrix. Example of square matrix 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3. So this is example of square matrix. A square matrix has the same number of rows and column. 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 column. 3 column, 3 rows. Okay, remember a square matrix has the same number of rows and columns. Okay, the last one is rectangular matrix. A rectangular matrix, so the example of rectangular matrix, let's say we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2 rows and 3 columns. Another example 2, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. So we have 3 rows or 2 columns. So these are rectangular matrices. A rectangular matrix has different number of rows and columns. Okay? Okay, let's try exercise set practice 2.1a. A fifth generation 5G mobile technology exhibition is attended by 857 teenagers, 3,180 adults, and 211 senior citizens. Represent the information in the form of matrix. So now we want to write in matrix form. We can write in row matrix 857, 3,180, and 211. This is a row matrix, or we also can write in column matrix like this: 857, 3,180, and 211. Okay. Question number 2. The table on the right show the average air pollution index API in Putrajaya, Jaranto, and Sadakan for 3 days. Represent the information in the form of matrix. Okay, this is given table. Now we want to write in metric form. So we can write 53. row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. 53, 52, 50, 20, 21, 20, 47, 48, and the last one is 46. Or we also can write like this. So 53, 52, 50, 20, 21, 20, 47, 48, and 46. Okay. Class, don't forget to try question number 3 in your exercise book. Order of matrix. Order of a matrix can tell us how many row and how many column the matrix have. So we can write row times column, and refer to row, and n refer to column. So I give you an example. Let's say we have 3, 2, 0, 1, 4, 5. So look at this example. So number 3, 4 and 2 are in row 1. Number 1, 4 and 5 in row 2. 1, 3 and 1 are in column 1. 2 and 4 are in column 2, and 0 and 5 are in column 3. For this example, we have 2 row and 3 columns. So the order for these examples is 2 times 3. Then we can say that the example of matrix 2 by 3. Okay, matrix with m row and n column has the order of m times n. N is read as matrix m by n. Okay. Self practice 2.1b. Determine the order of the following matrices. 1a, 15, negative 8. So we have 1 row, 1 column, 2 column. So to find the order of the matrix, we have row times column, 1 times 2. So the order for this matrix is 1 by 2. B, 1 row, 2 row, and 1 column. So the order for this matrix is 2 by 1, row times column. So don't forget to try C and D in your exercise book. Elements. So what is elements? Every number in the matrix is known as an element of the matrix. Okay, I give you an example. So first, what we need to do is we need to determine the row and the column of this matrix. Okay, 4, 7, and 5 are in row 1. Number 2, 3 and 1 are in row 2. 4, 2, column 1, column 2, and column 3. So as we can see that number 4 is at row 1, column 1. Number 7 is at row 1, column 2. 5, row 1, column 3. Number 2, row 2, column 1. Number 3, row 2, column 2. The last one, number 1, is in at row 2, column 3. So determine the element of A11 is equal to number 4. Yes, correct. And A23 is equal to number 1. Equal matrix. So what is an equal matrix? Matrix M is equal to matrix N if and only if both the matrices have the same order and each corresponding element is equal. Okay. Two matrices are same if they have the same order and every element also should be same. So if I have matrix A 1, -2, 4, 5, matrix B I have -2, 4 and 5. Look at the order. We have 1, 2 row and 2 columns. So matrix A in order 2 by 2, and also same goes to matrix B, also have order 2 by 2. So the element also same, so then we call it as A is equal to matrix B. Let's try self practice 2.1c. Number 1, determine whether each of the following pairs of matrices is equal. So A, 4, 3, 4, 3. So this order 2 by 1. This is also order 2 by 1. So both have the same order, which is 2 by 2. And every element inside in this matrix and this matrix also same, so that we can say that they are equal matrices. So B, they have same order 2 by 2. Look at the element 0.1, 1 divided by 10 also 0.1, 6, yes, equal, -1, -1 equal, -1.5, 3 over 2 is equal to 1.5. So they also are equal matrices. Okay, C. Order 1, 2, 2 by 1. But for this matrix, we have 1 by 2. So they have not the same order. So this is not equal matrices. So the last one, they have order 2 by 2. Both have same order. But look at each element 0, 0, yes, equal. But for the first row, second column got different number. So this is not equal matrices. Okay, that's all for today. See you next week.